Hello and welcome. This video series will explain how to utilize the PACCAR Solutions Portal. This is the fourth episode in this series and covers managing vehicles. Vehicles are added to your customer profile by your selling dealer. Customer administrators are able to edit vehicle attributes, and all users can review vehicle details for each VIN. Let us start by locating a VIN. Type the last 6 or 8 characters of the VIN in the search bar at the top. Select the one you want to review. You can also select vehicles from left-hand menu, click the chip filter and select VINs, enter the VIN where it says Filter Results, then select the VIN from the drop-down, and then click the hyperlink. Both methods will open the Health section of the Vehicle Details page. This page includes key information related to the chosen VIN, including health recommendations, current status, and last known location. You can also view basic vehicle information such as unit number, mileage, engine information, subscription status, and a summary of the vehicle's performance over the last 30 days. If you are a customer administrator, you can manage and edit the unit number and a free-form description of the vehicle by clicking the pencil icon. Clicking the 3-dot icon will allow you to set the vehicle into repair status, view details related to the closest dealer location, see the 3 closest authorized service centers, or remove vehicles from your account. Below Vehicle Details, you will find the Fault Log. The fault log automatically defaults to show active faults. Remove the active filter and it will display both active and inactive fault codes from the past 30 days. You can quickly filter the log using the chip filter to narrow your search by recommendation, systems, or fault status. Clicking the Information icon at the right of the fault code row will provide additional detail and troubleshooting information. You can export the fault log by clicking the 3-dot icon and selecting Export. Remember, the exported file will appear under Data Export in the left-hand menu. If you toggle from Health to Software, you will see details related to engine and after-treatment software updates. Similar to vehicle fault logs, a software log will display software status changes. Clicking the Information icon will provide additional release notes. You can also create vehicle groups so trucks can be easily managed by different maintenance facilities within your organization. To set up a vehicle group, go to Customers and select your customer name. Click on Vehicle Groups at the top and then click Add Group. Type in the desired group name and save. Now you need to add vehicles to the new group. Click Manage Vehicles at the top, then filter the vehicle list by your new vehicle group name. Check the box next to the VINs you want added to your new vehicle group. To remove VINs, you can uncheck the box. Pro tip: don't forget to add a vehicle group user to manage this new vehicle group. Thank you for watching the Managing Vehicles episode. We created this video series to explain how to utilize the PACCAR Solutions Portal. To continue learning more, watch episode 5 in this series, Understanding Fault Details.